Have you ever been managing an event workbook that has a tab for literally everything? If a staff office is happening in one spot, it will be on a specific tab. There's different formulas. The tab overload can be a lot. So let me show you in Folio just how tabs are replaced by keywords with a matter of a few clicks of a button. So we're taking a look at DemoCon 25, and if I click on the filter button here and I simply search the word staff, I am in essence doing the same thing that I would be in my workbook. And we're seeing here that we have agency staff and client staff both showing up at the same time. I can further drill down and just add the agency keyword here. And I'm now just looking at that agency staff offices for the run of my entire show. So think of this just like all of the services that you would build in a food and beverage workbook for those agency staff offices. Now I can have as many items in my folio as I need to fully paint the picture of that event. And with this simplicity of just the keyword search, I'm able to drill down into just the information I'm looking for.